Um, Good morning, welcome, good afternoon, good evening. Normally, this is where I should have taken my buys going up, stop loss for price to first of all give me 1 hour. As you can see, price has already started playing out. So I will let it be. Wait to see if I can take sales if it turns bearish. Okay, that is price doing something like this. Then wait to see if I can take sales to retest this low. So this is what I'll be looking out for. If not, the buys already playing out very well. Okay, so this is for British pound, Japanese yen. The next thing I'm looking out for is gold. Nothing much on GJ, it's just simple and straightforward. Okay, nothing much. Everything you want to look at is just represented here. For gold is the same setup, however in the opposite direction. So what I'm looking at on gold is normally, like I told you, this had already started playing before the open of the pre-London Open. So let's see if this is going to dip to give us first of all 1 arrow, then continue dipping. But don't forget that gold has dropped during the Asian session. It broke outside the Asian range and it has dropped very hard. So um, the sales at 1 arrow will start securing and moving stop loss to break even just in case price wants to reverse. So that is for gold. Um, my sentiment on gold is very as in bearish sentiment. Okay. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. Gold is simple and straightforward. Everything is pointing bearish. For Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin will be dropping too because of that correlating factor between gold and Bitcoin. They are both currencies that are trending. Gold and Bitcoin, one is a cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, the other one is a commodity. So they are both trading, how would I put it? They are correlating. So if Bitcoin is dropping at the moment, we're anticipating gold to be dropping as well. So for Bitcoin, price was around here as at last week, this area, and no, excuse me, here, price was around here, and look at how far the price has dipped. Okay, this would be about 2.86 on the TP. It's just crazy. Bitcoin just drops massively. So if I'm looking at the Bitcoin, I'm anticipating further bearish momentum for it to dip bearishly. Okay, I'm not looking for buys at the moment. All I'm looking for is to take sells. But as you can see, sellers had dipped very well. But with that being said, this candle breaks this low. You anticipated that it should dip to retest this low here before it does anything. Let me zoom in so that it would be very clear. This is what I'm looking at. So let's see if we can get okay. If you look at this very well, potential sales could be like this. Yep. So this is the potential sales that could occur on Bitcoin. like this to retest the low. So entry will be here, stop loss, one arrow. Then if it continues dipping, that is the extra profit. At the moment, this is just what Bitcoin is. Um, don't forget the last but not the least, which is very important, is if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. Both of them are down here. You see subscribe, hit it, comment, and like. That is all for now. Peace. Barakabashad.